How to create a custom 404 page on Wix. In order to do that, head over right here to your apps and click on this app market right here. Then once you have done that, it will show you the Wix app market for this page. Head over and click on the search apps and then search in here for 404. Now you can see this URL redirect manager. Click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So let's head over and then you can actually add this if you have a premium site. So you can head over and then add this to your site using this case. However, once it's been added, you should be able to redirect some backlash or some broken links into 404 page you can want. So you can also use some other methods as well using the redirect on the actual settings right here on your Wix. Head over right here to your settings on your Wix. And then from in there, you can also just click on here for and search for 404. Or you can also search in here for redirect. Totally depends on you. So search in here for this cases right here. And we have in here this URL redirect manager. You can click on that. And as you see, it's around on the SEO. And then you can add in here a new redirect. And it can be a single redirect or redirect. So it will be redirected to a 404 page. So what you can do is you can head over and then just put in here a URL for your 404 page if you want. So that's how you create a custom 404 page on Wix. Hope we helped.